What's good, everybody? On this video, I'm going to show you this awesome headlamp that has an emergency light, strobe lights, and a motion sensing ability. Now, this is rated at 18,000 lumens. Stay tuned for the whole video and see how powerful this is. All right, let me show you how the sensor works. Essentially, you just kind of wave it around and it goes on. Now, let me demonstrate the different modes of this particular light. So right now, you guys are seeing two lights shining out. The outwards are not working. This is the switch. This switches different lights. It's got a strobe effect. Now you get the bottom two, for example. This is a dimmed version. This is the red emergency light. And then this is the flashing red emergency light. So again, if you're hiking or you're stranded somewhere on a road, you can always just take these off, put it on the hood of your car or on the roof of your car, and then just enable the strobe light or the emergency red strobe light. So you can see that once it's green, that means that the motion sensor is not on. If you want to activate it, you can just press it and it's going to turn blue. Otherwise, you want to hold it till it turns off, then you turn this back on without the sensor mode. I usually don't use the sensor mode. If you want to essentially maybe use this as a deterrent, as a light for outdoor critters or something, you can let this outside, and then anytime there's any motion, the light will turn on and scare the critters. So when the headlight is dead, the battery will be red and it will not turn on. So that's when you plug it in. The weather stripped charging port is right here under the silicone tab. You connect this to USB-C, and then the other end goes to charging port. And that's gonna flash red. Let this charge for about 5-6 hours, and you get to go for another 10 hours. Now the cool thing is there is a mount here, right, with a little swivel right over here. So you can take this off, or you can just stick it in there. There's a soft, flexible band all the way around, including right on the inner where the forehead is. This is made of thick ABS plastic, so this is not gonna break. There's a rubber around the ABS, and there is a way to change the angle as well. See that? So it is a 90-degree angle, see? So if you want to bring it up this way, you can. That way, if you are looking down, say on an engine bay, or you're trying to screw something, you don't have to keep adjusting your head. You can just essentially just adjust this. So there you go. So this is what it essentially looks like, right? So the great thing is, again, is like I'm looking forward, so if I'm going this way, or if I really want to do this, but something is below me, I just tilt it straight down, and now the light is pointing this way. And again, it's very easy to access the buttons. They're right over at the top here. That easy. See? Right now we got the sensing mode on. All right, let's go outside and I'll show you how I actually use this stuff. So this is what we are seeing right now. Complete darkness. Now let's turn on our light. Wow, look at this. Look how bright this light is. Look at this. That fence right now is 35 feet away. And look how bright this looks. That is insane. So whether you're hiking, whether you're working outdoors, or you're a mechanic and this is in the engine bay, this is absolutely an amazing flashlight. And the great thing is it does come in its own protective case. And you have these clips. These are hat clips, so you can attach this to a hat. So this will hang over top of a hat, and then you will just take these and attach them through the rubber band and into the cap itself. And of course it comes with a USB-C charging cable. So that's the video. Thanks for watching.